Point editing in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Pull a simple shape into the media from Shapes or Flexi Shapes. Step 2. The point editing menu is located in the left panel toolbar where it says Edit Points. Step 3. After you select Edit Points from the left toolbar, the features will be accessible from the Quick Access toolbar. Step 4. Additionally, you can also double-click on the design to access point editing. Step 5. In the point editing panel, the first option, Delete Point, will simply delete a selected point. Step 6. Select a point, click Delete Point, and it'll delete that point, leaving the rest of the lines intact. Step 7. Break Path will break the lines apart. Step 8. Click a point, select Break Path, and the lines can be dragged apart. Step 9. When you select a point and click Corner, the node handle of that point will move on its own to create a sharp or smooth corner. Step 10. When you select a point and click Smooth, the drag handle controls the Bezier curve in relation to each other. Step 11. Make Flat and Make Curve features change the selected lines between two nodes. Step 12. Make Flat will flatten the line if it's curved, and Make Curve will turn the selected line into a curve. Step 13. In addition, you can also add points by clicking on the line path, so you can add extra points. Step 14. To understand the Simplify feature more clearly, pull in a more complex design into the media. Step 15. Double-click the design to bring up point editing, and you'll notice a large number of points. Step 16. When you click Simplify, it'll remove the excess nodes and help smooth out certain designs. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.